Let's be honest, who here hasn't felt that sinking feeling? You check your bank account, and it's like a magic trick. Money you swear was there is gone. Maybe it's a mystery subscription service you forgot about, that fancy coffee you treat yourself to a little too often, or that gym membership you haven't used in months. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to take control, a way to stop your hard-earned cash from vanishing into thin air? Enter Rocket Money, a financial app promising to help you manage your finances and potentially save some serious dough. Sounds great, right? But with so many financial apps on the market, a big question arises: is Rocket Money completely free? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Rocket Money, explore its features, and uncover the true cost of taking control of your finances. Free features, taking charge of your finances. Let's start with the good news. Rocket Money offers a free tier with some pretty handy features. Think of it as the financial equivalent of a starter pack. Here's what you get. Bill Finder. This nifty tool scans your bank accounts and identifies recurring bills. No more hunting through endless transactions trying to figure out where your money goes. Bill Finder lays it all out for you, black and white. Subscription Tracker. The subscription trap. We've all subscribed to something we barely use, only to forget about it months later. Subscription Tracker helps you identify those pesky subscriptions silently draining your account. See them all in one place, and with a few clicks, cancel the ones you don't need. Low bill alerts. Ever feel like you're paying way too much for a service? Rocket Money can help with that too. Low bill alerts notify you when a recurring bill seems unusually high. This could be a sign of an error or a chance to negotiate a better rate. These features alone can be a game changer, especially if you're someone who struggles to keep track of subscriptions or forgets to review your bills regularly. Just by using the free tier, you might be surprised at how much money you're able to reclaim. Premium features, taking control to the next level. Now, let's talk about the upgrade. Rocket Money offers a premium tier that unlocks some additional functionalities. Think of it as the deluxe financial management package. Here's what you get by going premium. Bill negotiation. Don't have the time or energy to haggle with cable companies or internet providers? Rocket Money can do it for you. Their team of experts will negotiate on your behalf to try and get you a lower rate on your bills. Concierge service. Need help canceling a subscription but can't figure out the convoluted cancellation process? The concierge service takes care of that for you. Simply tell them what you want to cancel, and they'll handle the rest. Identity theft protection. In today's digital world, protecting your identity is crucial. The premium tier offers identity theft protection features, giving you peace of mind and an extra layer of security. These premium features offer a lot of convenience and can potentially save you even more money, especially if you have a lot of bills or struggle with negotiating. However, there is a monthly fee associated with the premium tier. So, is Rocket Money completely free? Not entirely. The free tier offers valuable tools to help you manage your finances, but to unlock the full potential of Rocket Money, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan, which comes with a monthly cost. The good news is, Rocket Money offers a free trial of their premium service, so you can try it out before you commit. The final verdict: it depends on your needs. Ultimately, whether Rocket Money is worth it depends on your individual financial situation. If you're someone who struggles with managing subscriptions or feels overwhelmed by bill negotiation, the premium features could be a lifesaver. However, if you're comfortable managing your finances on your own and don't need the extra help, the free tier might be all you need. The key takeaway? Do your research, explore what Rocket Money has to offer, and decide if it aligns with your financial goals and budget. It might just be the missing piece you need to take control of your finances and stop your money from disappearing into thin air. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.